How to get the My AI on Snapchat. Welcome back everyone to this new video of How to Guide. My AI is the newest chatbot that has been released to the people using Snapchat. Previously, who had the Snapchat Plus could only use the My AI feature, but now everyone could use it, even though people not having the Snapchat Plus. You can find the My AI chatbot on your chat section on the top. It will be pinned on the top and you can just tap on it and start chatting with the bot. Now if you don't have this feature, what you can do is update your app of Snapchat. If you don't have the latest version of Snapchat yet, you can search for Snapchat and make sure you update your app. Updating applications helps to add in new features that have been recently released. Now even if you update your Snapchat app and you still don't have the My AI, that is because it is releasing on a rolling basis, which means not everyone all at once will have the features that have been added. And similar with My AI, if you don't yet have it on your Snapchat account, you'll need to wait out a couple of days before it gets added to your account as well. In the meantime, what you can try out is create a new account of Snapchat. If you have the new account of Snapchat, you might have the My AI feature, even though you don't have it on your main account of Snapchat. So try to see if you get the My AI on the new account by creating it. So that was the video on how to get My AI on Snapchat. If you are interested in more videos related to My AI, then make sure you subscribe and also turn on the notifications of our channel. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.